If you own a pair of AirPods Pro Generation 1 or 2, this case is definitely for you. And if you don't already know, the AirPods are notorious for the case just opening up and your AirPods going flying if you happen to drop it onto a hard surface. And I will also be doing a drop test to show you how protective this case is and what happens to your AirPods when you don't have a case on them. But with the ESR case, you never have to worry about that. This is ESR's Pulse Flicklock case. It not only protects your AirPods from drops, but it also keeps it nice and securely closed, even if you happen to drop it onto a hard surface. The case also has a couple other really cool features, but first I want to let you know that if you do want to pick this up, I will be putting product links in the video description, and I also want to let you know that ESR did send this out to me, but this is my own honest review. This case also comes in a whole bunch of different colors in case you don't like black, and I'll show you that in just a minute. So let's take a look at the case. So this is the white one. Comes in 2 pieces. We also get some accessories in here. One of the accessories is this little brush to clean out the slots that your earbuds sit in. And we also get this little plastic piece in case you want to take the earbuds back out of the case. And here are your instructions. So here is the bottom of the case. It does come with this little wrist strap that you can easily attach to your wrist or your purse or bag. It also has this rubber coated slider to release the top cover of your AirPods. So all you simply need to do is take your AirPods, press them into the bottom just like this. They're in there nice and snug. And then for the top piece, it has a little sticker inside here to help the top adhere and keep stuck to the top part of your AirPods. But I find that this is a pretty snug piece and you might not even need to use the sticker. So then take the top piece, press it over the top of your AirPods. You hear this little click and you're all set. And it's just that simple. So now your AirPods are nice and protected. You don't have to worry about this case just coming apart. It's held on here really good by this little slider, and it also uses magnets to help keep it closed. The majority of the case itself is made of all plastic, but it does not feel cheap. It feels pretty solid, and it's got kind of like this really firm rubbery material surrounding the whole case, as well as the slider. We also have a precise cutout to show your status LED. On the bottom is your charging port, and on the back it has an easy press pairing button cover as well. Now, unlike the regular AirPods case, this case allows you to open it up using only one hand. All you need to do is simply slide this little slider over, and the top pops open just like that, exposing your AirPods for you to use. And then when you're done, you want to close the top, you simply snap it closed, and the magnets keep this case closed. It is not going to open up, even if you happen to drop it on the ground. The other really great thing about this case that I think not a lot of other cases have, if any, is that it's MagSafe ready. It's got strong magnets that have a holding force of 630 grams, and that's about the weight equivalent of 3 iPhone 15s. And that gives you a really good lock on MagSafe chargers. And here, like I have this ESR MagSafe charger, you simply take your case, put it over the MagSafe, it locks in place with its magnets, and as you can see, the status LED shows right through the case. Now, I don't know about you, but I like to play with fidget toys. In this case, having a slider on it definitely fits that bill. So you might actually end up playing with this case all day long, just opening, closing, opening, closing again. It's definitely a great little fidget toy. So now let's take a look at some of the other colors that this case comes in. And if you want to get your AirPods out of the case, you can simply use this little tool here. We'll just put it down, and then we're going to place the little charging port over the little plastic and then just press down. And it simply just pushes your AirPods out just like that. And again, if you want to clean out the insides of your AirPods case, you can use this little brush that comes with it. So here we have it in a green. And here we have it in a dark blue. That looks pretty cool. Here it is in black. Here we have it in titanium. This one looks really cool as well. I think my favorites are the white and the titanium. I like how it has the contrasting band in black. Very cool. And then here it is in a light pink. That looks pretty cool too, for the ladies or the guys, if that's what you like. Now let's move on to the drop test so you can see why you need this case. So first, let's do the drop test with the AirPods inside the case. And as you can see, the case is still closed and my AirPods are protected inside the case. Drop test number 2 inside the case. And as you can see, the AirPods case is still closed and my AirPods are protected. So now let's do the drop test without the case and see what happens. So without the protective case, my AirPods broke in half. Now I know this is an extreme test, but this can actually happen, as you can see from this test. And one of the AirPods went flying out of the case. I had to go back and try to find it. So this is definitely going to be my brand new daily case to keep my AirPods nice and safe, because as you saw, this case is not going to come apart unless you want it to. So if you want to keep your AirPods safe and you want that peace of mind to know that if you happen to drop your AirPods in this case, they're not going to just pop out, and this case is not going to just open up even if it's dropped on a hard surface. And again, if you guys want to pick it up, I will be putting product links in the video description. So what was your favorite feature of this AirPods case, and which one of the colors was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And if you guys enjoyed the video, it would really help out the channel if you gave me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thank you all for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.